Right, this is the speed demo. Let's select our project, click OK. We'll select our pitch of 712. We're going to go down. Let's crop the image by selecting our crop tool. Let's zoom in. Type F for face drawing tool, or you can just select it at the top on the menu bar. This tool looks like a trapezoid on the menu bar at the top. Now what we want to do is just go through and click each individual point associated with that face. As we go through, you'll notice that at the start the box turns red, for instance right there. That is the start of the face. And as we go through, we circulate, and if we come across another point that's already been selected, it's yellow, and then back to red, and that will close off the face by turning it blue. So then you've known that you have closed off that face. You do want to make sure that you do select your other points that have already been selected. This will ensure that there's not duplicate lines associated with this project. Now as we go through here, what we're telling the computer is all of the different lines associated with each individual face. And once we've done this, what we want to do is we want to tell the computer what types of lines these are. So we will select a gable line, a perimeter line, a valley line, a hip line, and is also what is known as a butt-up line or a level line. A butt-up line would be considered a step flashing line, and a level line would be a head wall line. So we're almost done here selecting our faces. So first let's go through and we'll select all of our perimeter lines once we're done here. So I hit E for edge, and this actually selects our perimeter line. That's what I type, or you can select it at the top menu bar as well. As I go through here, I'm just clicking on the mouse button once and then dragging it over the line that I want to change, and then unclicking the mouse button. So this is our hip tool, selecting all of the hip lines associated with this roof. Now let's get our ridge line, or R. So far we have E for perimeter, H for hip, R for ridge, V is valley, which is this blue line. So we get all of our valley lines. Now let's get our gable lines, which is G for gable. Once we've finished our gable lines, now let's maybe fix a couple of our lines that maybe just aren't straight, or we want to change a few things. And we can just do that with ease. You can do this anytime during the process. Now we need to set our scale. In this roof, we measured the driveway, which was 45, and this gable end to this gable end, which was 75, or 72. And we're all set. I'll show you the 3D image of this once I fix this. Control D will show you a 3D image. Looks pretty good. Now, make sure you mark the project complete. This will allow you to not have the watermark on the print preview. And we're all set. Thank you guys.